Current Affairs 3 June 2021. Which world number 2 tennis player has withdrawn from the French Open? A. Maria Sharapova, B. Naomi Osaka, C. Sania Mirza, D. Anna Ivanovic. The answer is B. Naomi Osaka. World Milk Day is celebrated on which day? A. 10 March, B. 12 January, C. 1 June, D. 2 July. The answer is C. 1 June. World Milk Day is celebrated on 1 June every year. The day was first started by Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations to highlight the global importance of milk. How much percentage Maharashtra government has approved Maratha reservation under EWS quota? A 10%, B 15%, C 20%, D 30%. The answer is A 10%. The government has decided to give 10% reservation to students and candidates belonging to the economically weaker category. Now, Maratha candidates can avail EWS reservation in direct service. To detect fraudsters participating in the virtual conference, Dash and Dance has developed a unique detector FakeBuster. A. IIT Delhi and Monash University, B. IIT Mumbai and Monash University, C. IIT Padakkal and Monash University, D. IIT Ropar and Monash University. The answer is D. IIT Ropar and Monash University. Who has become the first Indian to win the Rudolph V. Schindler Prize? A. D. Nagendra Reddy, B. Dr. Nageshwar Reddy, C. V. Narasimha Reddy, D. Nagarjuna Reddy. The answer is B. Dr. Nageshwar Reddy. Who has become the first woman flight test engineer of India? A. Mahira Khan, B. Asrifa Violetti, C. Kohli Vidyasri, D. Hires Dhanasri. The answer is B. Asrita Violetti. Squadron leader Asrita Violetti is the first and only woman qualified for this role in the Indian Air Force. Who has become the first Indian to be elected as the President of International Narcotics Control Board? A. Sankar Bhattacharya, B. Jaya Bhardwaj, C. Harish Sankar, D. Jagjit Pavadia. The answer is D. Jagjit Pavadia. Jagjit Pavadia has been elected as the chairman of the International Narcotics Control Board. She is the first Indian to head the Vienna-based organization and the second woman to hold the position. The White Monument, which was in news recently, is a 4,000-year-old war memorial located in which country? A. China, B. Japan, C. Syria, D. Israel. The answer is C. Syria. A 4,000-year-old war memorial known as the White Monument in Syria was built in honor of soldiers killed in the war. Little Bloodtail, which is considered to be the harbinger of monsoon, is related to which type of species? A. Hummingbird, B. Dragonfly, C. Turtle, D. Frog. The answer is B. Dragonfly. The little bloodtail is a small dragonfly with a wide presence in the state of Kerala. This species of dragonfly can be seen from early June to September. Which former chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission passed away on 23 May 2021 due to a heart attack? A. K.N. Vyas, B. Sri Kumar Banerjee, C. Rahul Sachdeva, D. Anil Kumar. The answer is B. Sri Kumar Banerjee. The work of Sri Kumar Banerjee was based on physical metallurgy. He was awarded the Padma Shri in the year 2005 and Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award in the year 1989. Thank you.